Social media marketing is not free. If I told you that that free Facebook post, which you get little result from, actually costs you around $250, would you continue to spend the time on it? Every marketing expert will tell you that you have to use social media to market your business. You've probably heard it hundreds of times already, but actually, social media is just one part of your marketing puzzle, and it's a damn hard part to master. In fact, most people don't ever master it, and there is a reason for that. You will never beat the algorithms. Never! It's not designed for you to win. Facebook, for example, is designed to keep you on it and to keep Mark Zuckerberg rich. And how much does it actually cost you to use social media? Have you done the math? Well, to work it out, go and watch this video which I filmed earlier. It might open your eyes. So let's say, based on the number you found, you're spending 5 hours a week to create content, post it, schedule it. If your hourly rate is $100, the real cost is $500 per week. Now, if you're only posting twice a week, then the cost of these posts is actually $250. Wow, mind blown. I bet you never thought of it that way, did you? Social media marketing is not free. Here's the thing though, for all the time and the effort you put into learning how to use it, it's often the least effective marketing channel for your business. The numbers simply don't lie. Social media does have its advantages, but if we're talking leads, sales, and money in the bank, well, as I say, the money really is elsewhere in your marketing mix. And so I want to help you out. I've created this fact sheet that shows you 7 quick wins to win new clients that don't suck your time like social media. And because I want to free you from the social media hamster wheel, I'm sharing it for free. Are you ready to find out a better way to win new clients without trying to work out how to beat the ever-changing, unbeatable social media algorithms? Then make a change. You can take back your marketing power, and it starts below.